Hello America, mKelson here today. Beautiful September morning, Junction City, Oregon, BISH'S RV to present to you this brand new 22. It's a Redhawk by Jayco. It's a 24B actually. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. Coming inside, you're going to see for a 24-foot coach, it has a massive amount of room in here with that full wall slide. It's just absolutely fantastic. Colors in here very pleasing. You have a nice wraparound booth, not the traditional dinette, so that's very nice. You have the antique white cabinetry. Over here you have a double sink, which is stainless steel. Nice cabinetry up here. You're going to have this microwave. It's a high point microwave, very large. And then you have a 3-burner stove with the oven and a lot of storage underneath. And then you have a Norcold refrigerator and freezer. Over here, a lot of storage. Little pantry area, pull-out drawers. Nice linen area. A couple more drawers underneath. Coming to the back, you are going to feature a queen bed. Nice windows. One window on the side for ventilation. The other window is an exit window. And look at this in the very back of the coach. It gives you a lot of room for your wardrobe and for all your clothing back here. This one right here? Yep. I sure can. See, it's got a lot of room. Coming back here into the bathroom. A lot of room in this bathroom, corner bathroom. I want you to see this. Look how much room is in this shower. That is just awesome. Not every motorhome has this much room in a shower. And for a 24-footer, pretty incredible, really. Now coming up front, it features a bed up here also. So you can have room for people right here in the bed, and this dinette does fold down into a nice sized bed in all actuality. So this is on the Ford chassis. It's going to be a 450, the chassis, but it's a V8 in this motorhome, so you got a lot of screaming power. And then it's also going to have J-Ride in this coach. So let's go outside and see what it has to offer on the outside. Beautiful colors on a Redhawk. Jayco, wonderful company. This coach is going to have levelers on it. Does have J-Ride, so you have the beefed up springs, anti-sway bars. You're going to have the grommets between the chassis and the house. And there's a couple more things on J-Ride, but it just gives the ride a tremendous feel. Not going to be bouncing all around in this coach. Looks to me like you have the, let's see what this is. It's a Dometic water heater right there. Pretty nice, a refrigerator, furnace, speakers on the outside, so you're going to have the awning that is an automatic awning that comes out, and then you can have some entertainment right here. Nice feature. Backup camera, tow receptacle. And then you have the ladder accessing the top, so you can take care of your roof seals and your air conditioner and whatnot that's up there. Outdoor shower on this coach, city water connection, full wall slide. One of the things, and it's locked coming from factory, but one of the things is you can get under there real easy like that and not bump your head. Does have a 4,000 watt generator in this coach. There are your side cameras right there tucked into the side, so that it illuminates anything that's coming up the road. The molded cap is huge. No chance for leakage. Not everybody does that. A lot of people have windows and this and that, you know, just lets water intrusion come in. This cap will not do that. It will never leak. Tell you what, this is a great coach. If this one is of interest to you or any of the coaches we have on the campus, give me a call on my personal cell phone number, 541-285-8791, or the BISH'S number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.